We're live in Germany at Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth. We're showcasing to the world what Nokia is up to here. This is the premier event for Industry 4.0, and Rahul has been hard at work to get us ready for the show. Good to have you with us.
Hey Mike, how are you?
Good. So let's talk about just being back, first of all.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to welcome everybody to Hannover Messe, and yes, we are ready for anything.
All right, well, let's look at some of the stuff here at the stand. What makes this an important event for Nokia, first of all?
Well, first of all, it's all about the customers. Our customers are in this Industrial 4.0 transformation journey. And what does this journey mean? It's all about digitalization, wherein they want to be more productive, they want to be more efficient, they want to be resilient, and of course, they want to be more sustainable in the short to mid-term, right? And Nokia, with our innovative portfolio, we support them in this journey so that they can connect it, they can analyze it, they can twin it, and they can optimize it.
These are the critical components to that.
Yes. So this is the basic essentials of Industry 4.0, and we are ready for our customers to be ready on this journey with us.
So you're showing customers that Nokia is ready for anything. What does ready for anything mean to you?
Well, ready for anything, it's all about the customers. Customers need to be ready for it, and we are supporting them in this journey. We are their trusted partners. Ready for anything.
Rahul, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's go upstairs. Up here on the second floor, we've got Dave showcasing 4 key aspects to Industry 4.0 as many talk to some of the customers and the enterprise partners here at Hannover Messe. And Dave, you're ready for anything as well. What are those 4 key components to Industry 4.0?
So the 4 key components to digital transformation are first to connect it, connect your devices and your machines and your people. The second is to analyze that data that you collect to be able to do predictive maintenance and performance capabilities. And then you twin it so that you can now model that information in your factories, and then you finally optimize it.
And of course, you can't show off this stuff without showing off some demos.
We have 2 demonstrations that talk about connected. The first is about our ruggedized industrial devices. We have some new industrial devices, 5G industrial devices, partnerships with some leading edge industry accessories with Savux. And then we also have a digital twin, network digital twin capability that we're announcing here today as well. The next one is our connected also, but it's connecting different wireless access types. Wi-Fi, 4G, and 5G. And being able to combine those in different ways to be able to get better performance in the network and to provide also better reliability for those mission-critical industrial capabilities that you need. The Twin It is really showing how we're using augmented reality to show how we can help maintenance workers perform their tasks and to be able to do them better and more with better quality, improving their performance. The Analyze It is where we're aggregating data from machines, sensors, and using our partners PTC and Atos together to provide the information and data that's necessary in the operations to perform those tasks and be able to get better quality out of the production line. And then lastly, Optimize It is a demonstration where we're showing AMR performance and improving the performance of AMR using fleet management. All of these demonstrations are utilizing our private wireless network together with our mission-critical industrial edge solution.
Dave, it's an exciting time, and I'm glad we could do this again in person. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
We're live from Germany. Hannover Messe 2022 continues. I'm Michael Hainsworth.